To set up Auto Invest on Trading 212, start by logging into your account and navigating to the investment section. Auto Invest is a feature that allows you to automatically invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, making it easier to invest regularly and reduce the impact of market volatility. First, click on the Auto Invest tab and select the account you want to use for auto investing. You can choose from a variety of accounts, including ISA, SIP, and CFD accounts. Next, choose the investment product you want to auto invest in, such as stocks, ETFs, or indices. Now, set the investment amount and frequency. You can choose to invest a fixed amount daily, weekly, or monthly. For example, you can set up an auto invest plan to invest £100 every week in a specific ETF. You can also set a minimum and maximum investment amount to ensure you are investing within your budget. After setting up the investment details, you need to fund your account. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the auto invest amount. Trading 212 will automatically deduct the investment amount from your account at the specified frequency. It is essential to review and monitor your auto invest plan regularly to ensure it is aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can modify or cancel your auto invest plan at any time. Best practices for auto investing on Trading 212 include starting with a small investment amount and gradually increasing it over time. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Also, consider setting up a long-term investment plan to take advantage of compound interest and reduce the impact of market fluctuations. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up an effective auto invest plan on Trading 212 and start investing regularly. Auto investing can help you develop a disciplined investment approach and achieve your long-term financial goals.